last class we have seen about the fiber wool, how to process the wool and everything. So now this class we are going to see about the other animal fiber called silk, which is obtained from silkworm. So let us enter into a lesson. Okay. So silk is an animal fiber which are produced by certain insects as building material for cocoons and webs, which some of which can be used to make fine fabric. So this is the male silkworm and this is the female silkworm. And discovery of silk, I have shown you the video in detail in the class itself, the class time itself. So what is the exact time of discovery of silk? That according to an old Chinese legend, the Empress Lungxi was asked by the Emperor Huang Ti to find the cause of the damaged leaves of mulberry trees which are growing in their garden. And also, the Empress found white worms eating up the mulberry leaves. She also noticed that they were spinning shiny cocoons around them. Accidentally, a cocoon dropped into her cup of a tea and tangle of delicate thread separated from the cocoon. And silk industry began in China and was kept a closely guarded secret for hundreds of years. Later on, traders and travelers introduced the silk into other countries. So, the first country which they have discovered the silk is China. The route they traveled still is called as the Silk Route. Next, coming to types of silk, there are different types of silkworms of India. One is mulberry silk, eri silk, tassa silk, and muga silk. Next, coming to life cycle of silkworm. So this you have already learned in 4th standard itself about life cycle of silkworm. This egg is the first stage, larva is the second stage, cocoon is the third stage, and silk moth is the 4th stage. That is, adult stage is the 4th stage. And for this life cycle of silkworm, how many days the egg will be laying and how many days the larva will be going it. So everything I have shown you in a detail about this life cycle of silk moth in a video itself during class time. So next, coming to processing of silk. The process of obtaining silk from silk moth involves rearing of silkworm, reeling and dyeing. So from cocoon to silk, first of all, the silkworm lays eggs and it becomes a larval stage. Then it becomes to cocoon. After cocoon, it goes to the industries. Within 7 days, it should go to the, that is the thread should be reeled. That is, the thread should be removed from the fiber by heating it in the hot water. Otherwise, the silk moth will be coming. So once the silk moth out, before we are reeling the fiber from the cocoon, we will be not getting a proper quality of fiber, because once the silk moth is coming out from the cocoon gets damaged, so that we'll be not getting a lengthy quality of the fiber. It was broken down. It was break into pieces. Okay. Next, silk fibers. Then we have to go for the handloom. Then we'll be getting a nice silk sarees and dresses, etc. Next, coming to summary of the lesson. Silk comes from silkworms and wool is obtained from sheep, goat and yak. Hence, silk and wool are animal fibers. The hairs of camel, llama and alpaca are also processed to yield wool. In India, mostly sheep are reared for getting wool. Sheep hair is sheared off from the body, scored, sorted, dried, dyed, spun and woven to yield wool. And silkworms are caterpillars of silkworm. During the life cycle, the worms spin cocoons to silk fibers. Silk fibers are made of a protein. Silk fibers from cocoons are separated out and reeled into silk threads. Weavers weave silk threads into silk cloth. Okay. So with this, we are concluding the lesson. I think from this whole chapter, what you have seen, what are the different types of fibers, how does the process of wool, how do how to process the silk, what are the steps have taken, yes or no. So everything have learned about it. So that's all. The lesson is complete. Chapter 3. Yeah. Thank you, children.